Alright, let's talk about Bifrost Wallet. If you're looking for a wallet that can handle more than just the basics, you've probably heard the name. But what's the real story? Does Bifrost Wallet support Polygon and other chains, or is it just a one-trick pony? The short answer is yes. Bifrost Wallet is a multi-chain wallet, and it's designed to be a bridge, pun intended, to a bunch of different networks. This is a huge deal for anyone who's not just holding a single type of crypto. You want to be able to manage your assets across different ecosystems without jumping between a dozen different apps, and that's exactly what Bifrost aims to do. So, let's get specific. Yes, Bifrost Wallet has native support for Polygon. That means you can manage, transfer, and interact with your Polygon assets seamlessly. This is a big win, considering how popular Polygon has become as a scalable solution for the Ethereum network. But it doesn't stop there. Bifrost also supports a wide array of other prominent blockchains. We're talking about the big players like Ethereum, and even non-EVM chains like Bitcoin, XRP, and Dogecoin. They're also constantly adding more, keeping the wallet up to date with the ever-evolving crypto landscape. This multi-chain functionality is a game changer, giving you a single, secure place to manage your diverse crypto portfolio. It's all about making your decentralized finance experience as simple and secure as possible.